Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Nompendulo. I'm a MD and co-founder of a company called Straight, trading as Soft-Tol, which is our brand. So we basically are an industrial and household cleaning, detergents and tissue paper manufacturing company. So basically, our company was registered around in 2012, and we managed to acquire a machine to produce and manufacture tissue paper. And we started then, but we encountered a lot of challenges in terms of finances, in terms of paying rent, the expenses and stuff. And then we decided to move our factory into the township, which is here in Katlehong. So then we had a break as well in between when it comes to manufacturing. And then we resumed 2 years ago. And then we started manufacturing again tissue paper as it became in demand again. But then also we saw a need to add more products, which are the cleaning detergents, just to cover the whole household hygiene product. And we thought, why not have our own products that are manufactured by us, so that people can use products that are manufactured by us at good quality, but at the same time at reasonable prices. Okay, our warehouse is in 3015 Vena Street, that is in Spamandla, Katlehong. That's where we are. And you can also get hold of us on all social media. On Instagram, you can follow us at Soft-Tol Manufacturers. On Facebook, you can follow us at Soft-Tol Detergents and Tissues. Twitter as well, we are at Soft-Tol. And on WhatsApp, we are on 065 112 3536. That's both our WhatsApp and our direct line. My name is Nompendulo, and I am a township entrepreneur.